Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use edit QuickCSS option on Vencord. So first of all, to find it, you of course need to have Vencord installed. Wow, who would have guessed? But yeah, go to your user settings, there find Vencord, and there is edit QuickCSS. It should pop up this window. It should look like any other coding platform. Next up, come to Vencord's Discord server and come here into the CSS snippets. And here just look for something you want. I'll be taking this one. So just press here to copy the text and just paste text into the pop-up. And once it's done, it should instantly affect it. And when you restart Discord, etc., it should still work. What if you want a second thing from the CSS snippets? Well, just take the one you like, copy it, and what I like to do is go a few lines, press enter a few times, and then paste it there. This way it's much more clear to know what is what, and if you want to later on remove it, you can easily find the part which you want to move and not think if something was a part of something else or what. And let's take this case. So we have this at import thing and this CSS code. What if I want this third one that has also the at import? Just copy it and look. When I paste it, I press enter a few times, and I paste it there. Nothing happens. It's because if something has at import in it, it has to be on the top of the code things before any other CSS codes. And just like that, now that I pasted it here, it works fine. And just to remove them, remove the code you want, and that's it. Hope this helped, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.